It's easy to create a new headboard with Shiplap. Building your own headboard will help you get the exact look and style you want. Our Shiplap panels are lightweight and easy to install. Measure from the floor or baseboards to the desired height and width. Select a panel style and determine the number of panels you will need. Plan for trim, which adds 3 inches to each side. You'll need a saw, trim, screws, adhesive, and caulk. Cut and install panels. Add trim, then touch up to complete the project. Visit BarronDesigns.com for full instructions and even more ideas and tips.